This is the question number 29. The emergence of BRICS signal. Okay. What are the emergence of BRICS signal? Option A, Asian consolidation of economic power. Option B, diminishing European dominance. Option C, revival of non-aligned movement. Or the option D, a geopolitics without US dominating. Let's check one by one. In option A, where we have read about Asian consolidation of economic power. This message mentioned about the BRICS accounts for approx 45% of the world population and 35% of the global economy. So you can say that 45% of world population and 35% of global economy. So indicating a consolidation of economic power, particularly in Asia. Okay. And if we talk about diminishing European dominance, so this passage does not directly indicate such kind of thing. So directly cross of that sentence because it implies a shift in global economy power dynamics. Then option C is revival of non-aligned movements. So it is also not discussed about this thing in passage about the non-alignment movement. Now, option D, a geopolitics without US dominance. This passage clearly mentioned that BRICS summit as an opportunity for countries okay, like Russia and China to highlight the cooperation without US involvement, suggesting a geopolitical landscape less dominated by US. Yes, we can say that a geopolitics without US dominance is the right answer of that emergence of BRICS signal. In question number 30, we have which one of the below is an outcome of 16th BRICS meeting? So we have option proposal to end Russian Ukrainian war. Option B to expand BRICS by including Scandinavian countries. Option C to recognize China's claim of Taiwan. Option D reducing tension between India and China. What would be the right answer? If we talk about option A, that proposal to end Russia Ukrainian war, when C, the passage mentioned that the summit gave Russian President Vladimir Putin an opportunity, right, to showcase that the West had failed to isolate Russia over the Ukrainian war. But is there any kind of mention over about the proposal to end Russian and Ukrainian war in this passage? No. So this is not the right answer. Okay. If we talk about B, to expand BRICS by including Scandinavian countries. So in this passage, the passage does not mention expanded. Okay? Because BRICS to include any other country, nothing mentioned in this passage. So this is also wrong. To recognize China's claim of Taiwan, this passage does not discuss about this. Okay, so this is also wrong. But yes, as we are starting, we have seen the starting passage of this that reducing tension between India and China is the strong motive of this BRICS meeting, okay? BRICS summit. So yes, we can say this is the right answer.